How to delete saved posts in Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and then click on the profile icon at the bottom right and then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. From the menu list, click on Saved to access the saved posts section, then click on all posts, and here you will be able to find all of your saved posts. So in order for you to delete one of them, what you can do is you can click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, then click on select the post that you want to delete, and then click on unsave at the bottom right of the screen. Click on save again to confirm, and there you have it. You just deleted the saved posts, and you can do the same with the rest and any saved post that you want to remove. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove saved posts on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.